It is time for the main event.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to work on creating a local expert landing page. So when you're logged into Command, we're going to go on to Consumer, and then we're going to be in landing pages. So we're going to pick create a new site, and your choice, agent site or standalone page. I'm going with standalone. I'm going to create that page. And this is the chance we get to make a little one bragging about you and getting your app out there. So for me, when I do a landing page, I like to have it have 3 pieces of marketing on there. Number 1 is going to be a branded header. Number 2 is going to be an actual piece of content. And number 3 is going to be a lead form. So I'm weird and I like to start from the bottom. So I take my lead form, drop it in there. Then I'm going to take the local expert tool. I'm going to drop it above that. And then I'm going to go with a branded header. Next, I'm going to name my page. So this is going to be the Ryan Local Expert page. And then I'm going to jump into configure widgets. Now, when I get here, there's a couple different things I want to do. First, I like to start from the content and create outwards from there. You're going to notice my headshot, my marketing profile stuff is already in there. My team name, my role, my license number, my bio. You have to have something in there, so just write something. Then you're going to need 2 things that are a little weird the first time you do this. So you need the link to download your app. So I have that up on my other screen. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to drop it right in there. And then you also need a legal footer, and the stock one doesn't fit. So what I always do is I wipe that one out, and then I have one saved on another page that I copy and paste and put in there to make it fit in the appropriate sizing. Then I'm going to hit save and apply. Then I'm going to go down to my lead form, and I'm going to throw something in there. So I can keep interested, let's talk, or I can change it to something else, whatever that may be. And then I am going to hit save and apply again. And I'm going to go back all the way to the first one, to my branded header. And I'm going to put some kind of a text in there, whatever you want it to be. Probably don't do this, but whatever you want, put something in there. And then you're going to save and apply on that as well. And once all those are done, you can preview it, see how it looks on a desktop, maybe on an iPad or on a phone. And then we're going to move on and hit publish page. Yes, I do want to make it visible to others. And now my local expert landing page is done and I am finished. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys soon.